Hello, good morning mga katrumba. Ngayon na ituturo ko sa mga hindi pa nagkakaalam kung paano tayo mag-encode ng injector ng Volvo D13. Injector coding guys. Yan ang gagawin natin ngayong umaga. Kasi nagpalit tayo ng injector. Ngayon, kailangan natin yung code. I-enter natin yung code sa mismo ng BMCU. Sa computer ng ating sasakyan. Kailangan natin niya i-register doon. Kasi kung if you remove the injector and then you are marking of each injector, so you don't need to reset the coding. But when you remove and then you send outside, so after that you need to make sure your code is you need to input the code on our module, piston number 1 or injector number 1 until injector number 6. So if you have marking, no need to encode. But sometimes you make marking and then the repair shop of the injector, they will erase the marking. So now we are using Jalti software. So you need first, before you install the injector, you need to write here the code from 1 to 6. So this is the one we put inside our module. So since maybe okay, I will. Very slow signal. So as you can see here, check system parameter. So we need to go here parameter. After that we modify parameter. After that we have here injector code, this one. So click here, check. So this is the step you need to follow. This is the code here or some right here. So make sure you will write the code, but so you need to check here. And they are asking here in our display, this is the old code. So from 1 to 6. So since we remove the injector and we change another, so we are going to change this. So we are going to check. Okay, engine key off and key on, parking brake activate, battery is fully charged. Okay, so we will start injector number 1. Okay, please wait. Now enter the new injector code. So we need to enter here. So B K, it should be all capital guys. M D B K M D M 41 W W. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It should be 9 digit. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 W3 W3. Okay, so ito ang injector number 1 dati, since before is this code, so it will be changed right here. So now okay, so this one now already changed, BKW, and then the old one is display here, the old, and this is the new one. You need to input the one we input here, so you need to check. Okay, don't forget guys to subscribe my YouTube channel, and so that you can look properly here there in my YouTube. Some of my video, there's tutorial. So the parameter setting is prices as finish. Okay, finish. After that, next we will change number 2. Number 2. We click number 2. Okay. So don't forget to make check. When number 1 is finished, you need to make check. We will make check here. The one you encode. Next, number 2. We encode number 2. Key C4. Key Z4. 35 G2 Kitty 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so this is the new one and this is the old one. Okay, okay. So the same procedure guys, from procedure 1 repeated until procedure number 6. So that's all very simple. So after that you delete all the errors. This is a Bulbo D13. The problem is misfiring. Okay. Now this is the new one. KC435 G2. KC435 G2 Kitty. Now we need to injector number 3.